Ulam for tonight, ginisang repolyo with shrimp, tsaka with sotanghon. Ayan, tikman po natin guys, family. Ang ating mahiwagang red bowl. Yung, sarap. Tingnan natin po to guys, family. Dinamihan ko na po yung kanin. Pero tingin ko masarap talaga to. Ito po paborito natin dito, yung ating sotanghon. Kaya with hipon. Ayan guys, family oh. Grabe, umuusok pa po guys, family. Beautiful. Ayan po, lagay mo sa toppings. Ayan natin ang gulay. Repolyo. Yeah. Tapos carrots. Ayan natin carrots. Ayan, may carrots po. Beautiful. Wow. Ang sarap. Okay, hipon. Family, oh. Hipon, repolyo, sotanghon. Tama-tama pa yung alat. Yung lambot ng gulay, saka yung sotanghon. Ito po ang tinatawag na may pansit ka na, may ulam ka pa. Alright guys, family, ulam for tonight. Beautiful.